Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys the details of my makeup vanity. I want to show you guys how you can make your very own makeup vanity that looks just like this one for under $50. Had a lot of people asking me about this makeup vanity and where I got it, how I made it. So I wanted to share that with you guys and kind of do a makeup vanity tour and give you guys all the details, because I know a lot of you want to be able to make a vanity like this on a budget. And everything I bought locally, I didn't have to order anything offline. It was super easy, super inexpensive. So if you guys want to see how I made this makeup vanity for under $50, keep on watching. So, for the two shelves here, which is the base of my makeup vanity, I ended up getting these two shelves. I got two of these from Lowe's. I'm sure they have them at other stores too. They were $13 a piece. So there we have it, $26 for the base. For the base of the vanity, which is the two legs, we will say, of the table. For the top part, I just got a long piece of wood. A long, wide, white piece of wood. It was like $7.50 at Lowe's, and it was already white. The shelves were already white too. So what I did was, as you can see, I spaced the two shelves out on each side, and then I just glued the top across the two shelves. So it made me a table. Yeah. And then for the mirror, I got this mirror at Walmart. It was like $4.95, and it was actually brown, and I painted it. That's why there's like a little smudge right there on the top corner. I painted that white, and then I hung it on the wall and then leaned it towards the bottom on the top of the makeup vanity. So there we have that whole section right there. That is the vanity. That is the base. Bam. Super cheap, affordable, simple, and easy to do, okay? So over here, I wanted some more shelving. You know, like, I have so much makeup. This isn't even all of it. But I wanted a good way to be able to display kind of some of my favorite products, you know? So what I did was, at Lowe's, again, I found these shelves right here, and they are, I don't know how wide exactly or how long, but as you can see, they hold a pretty good amount of stuff, and I got 4 of them, and I just screwed them into the wall with these little brackets, and it gave me 4 really, really nice shelves. And those shelves were only $4.95 a piece. So basically, I have $20 in these shelves that are hanging on the wall. $26 for the two legs, I'll say, the base of my makeup vanity. $8 for the top of the makeup vanity. And the mirror, I know, was like under $10. I think it was like between $4 and $6 at Walmart. So, I mean, guys, that is like right under $50. Super affordable and super cute. The shelves were already white. It was super easy for me to put together. And if you guys like are wanting a cute makeup area like this to do your makeup at, then this is the best, most affordable way to do it without having to spend like a fortune on a makeup vanity, you know? And it looks super cute and girly. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys about some of the items and the decorations that I have set up here, because a lot of people have been asking me. This for $19 at Walmart. Stool, a lot of people have asked me about it. This is actually a very ugly old stool. Let me show you guys. See, it's just literally an ugly stool. And I threw the rug over top of it. This is literally an old ugly stool, and I threw the rug over top of it so it looks very shabby, very girly. And then I have Sephora bag and Victoria's Secret bag over there. I just have some boxes from some makeup, my Juicy Couture, Too Faced, Circa, just different makeups, you know, and I thought it kind of matched the colors. I tried to put boxes there that would match. And then on this little spinny thing here, I think I got this at Walmart for a few dollars. And it just has like all of my eyeliners and mascaras and concealer, lip liner, just things like that I can grab really easily. And then these things I used today and just kind of left those out there. Right here I have a Halloween scented candle that I got at Ross, I believe. Just a bottle of Chanel, a cute little flower, a Kylie card. I love the eyes on that. And then moving over here, hi. Moving over here, I have my beautiful favorite mug ever. This is actually a coffee mug right here, and I use it just to put some makeup brushes in. I know my makeup brushes need cleaned very bad. And this is actually a Christmas ornament. I know, it's so cute and fluffy and pretty. I love the pink and the gold. I just stuck it down in there to give it some floop, to give it some girly vibes. I love all things pink, gold, girly, sparkly. This is a Christmas ornament as well. Now that it's like Christmas time, they're coming out with all these ornaments. And they have different color themes, which I love. So it's perfect to find little ornaments like that just to kind of set around your house and spice it up. But you know, people probably wouldn't even know that those are Christmas ornaments. This one kind of looks like, you know, a Christmas ornament, but this one does not at all. This one don't. It's like a pin, see? And it clips on your tree. I just shoved it down in there to make it match. This is just a cute little notepad that I keep here to write down my videos, my plans for the day. My videos, plans for the day, things that I need to get done. This adorable cat mirror right here, I got this at Ross, and I love it. It has the 5x side here that is super close up and magnified. On the other side, it's just, I got the garland at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. And then lights hanging around the mirror are just mini white Christmas lights that I hung up to kind of make it go with the theme and add some nice lighting to the vanity area. Some more makeup products. And then the same thing over here, just more makeup. That's a Victoria's Secret card in the bag, like a little Victoria's Secret makeup thing. I just have makeup stacked all back through there. This is actually like a pencil holder or something. So I have mainly face products here, like concealer, foundation, things like that, all on this shelf here. And then a Sephora bag for decorating. We have just some eyelashes, setting powder, highlighter, some more highlighter, contour kits, mascara, lip. Over here on this one, I just kind of put eyeshadows here. Naked eyeshadows are amazing. Oh my gosh, I need to do a video on them one day. I love them so much. But I just have some eyeshadow palettes here, some loose glitter on this shelf. I have some glitter eyeliner here, blush, the Morphe Jacqueline palette, Becca primer, and then my favorite picture ever, that beautiful picture there. And then this little thing is actually a candle holder, but I used it to just put more makeup brushes in. I know my makeup brushes are so dirty. I need to clean them tonight. And then Kylie makeup bag there. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this do-it-yourself makeup vanity for under $50. Super cheap and affordable and easy to do. And it's really cute. Like, I've been doing my makeup here for the past week. I've had it all together for about a week. And I really love it. It's the perfect amount of space for just me. But it's all personal preference. You may want one that's bigger. But honestly, this holds a lot of stuff. It was under $50. I put it all together myself. So I really like that. It saved me some money. And I think it's super cute. Like, I just get happy every time I walk in here to do my makeup, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, even if you didn't like it. Just kidding. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos uploaded every single week. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.